Hello artists, welcome to day 3 of the visual journal unit. Today we're going to cover the topic of unity. Now, so far in your visual journal, you have words and you have drawings and you have a background that's colorful that reminds you of the mood that you were going for. But there is a lack of unity. Unity is where all of the different pieces come together and look like one artwork. Right now, it looks like the lungs there and the COVID-19 drawings don't exactly match the background. They look like two separate artworks, so we need to figure out how to combine them together. To help us get there, let's look at some visual journal examples that did a really good job at unity. This one is the topic of what is real beauty, and the pictures that she cut out from a magazine and the drawings seem disconnected except for one little thing. She added these black question marks that remind you of the black ink she used in the journal. Could there be more of that? Yeah, I think that some of the magazine could have come over here and some more ink could have come over there so that they look more like one piece. But that question mark with being black really helps tie the picture here to the journal entry over there. Another example, this looks like it must be about farmers or something. I couldn't read it, but I see that there's several drawings and they are tied together like they belong because of this color of yellow-green. There's yellow-green all over the place. And notice the artist wasn't afraid. It looks like they stamped something. Looks like a circle's here. But they were not afraid to go back over their drawings and stamp it. So the fact that that circle is on the drawing and on the background really ties them together. Here's another one. I think this is a really great one. It's got a nice message there. The brick wall is repeated here and there. And there's this repeated pattern motif that goes across both pages. So they look like they belong together. Repetition. Repetition is key, I think, to making it look like the drawings and the words in the background all match. So I know that repetition that unity is created with repetition. I need to look at my journal here so far and think, what kind of things can I repeat? I've got orange. Where else could I put that orange? I've got blue. Where else could I put the blue? How can I tie the words and the pictures together and make them look like they belong to create unity? So you have two things that you need to do today. First, you need to add an element of unity to your visual journal so that the words in the background, the pictures all go together. A repeated pattern is probably the best way to do that. Unity is created with repetition. And then when you're done with that, if you could, go ahead and update your work in progress. The picture that you did on the slide yesterday, if you've done more to it, go ahead and add a new photo. Thanks, guys. Have fun. It's just like being back in art class again. You thought I was done, but then I had more. I wanted to go and add some unity and show you what it looked like in the end. So here it is. And I think it looks so much better than it did before when it was just there. Like just adding the unity, it really is the final touch.